Welcome to our video on how to update the gas table on the Ion Science Tiger XT. The Ion Science Tiger XT is a highly versatile instrument designed to detect a wide range of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. Due to its versatility, it's important to keep your gas table updated to the specific VOCs that you require and are most relevant to your work. By updating the gas table, you can refine the list of gases you're monitoring, making the Ion Science Tiger XT more versatile and more effective.
Open the Tiger PC application on your desktop. This will bring you to the home page. On the left side of the home page, there's a menu that lets you navigate through the different screens. From here, click on Instruments and then select Read. This action will add your connected Tiger XT instrument to the list of instruments you have already read by the program. Now, if this is your first time reading an instrument, the software will automatically take a snapshot and a pop-up will appear. Just click Yes or No based on what you need. Next, under your instrument's entry on the left-hand side, click on Gas Table. From here, you can modify the gas table and send it to your instrument by selecting from the list provided. If you need to add or delete gases, click on Menu, and then click on Allow, Insert/Delete. An additional row will be added at the bottom of the table where you can input the specific details of your gas. From this screen, you can also adjust the upper and lower alarm levels in the appropriate column for each gas. When modifying gas tables, always save them under a different file name to avoid overriding the original table. You can do this by selecting Save As from the drop-down menu options. For the gas to be available to the instrument, make sure the checkbox is ticked next to the name. Once you've made your changes, send the gas tables to your instrument by clicking on Menu and selecting Send to Instrument. If you want to create a favorite gas table, simply select the gases you want by ticking the Favorite column next to the desired gas. This will create a separate gas table, allowing you quick access from the Tiger XT instrument.
The gas table on your Ion Science Tiger XT will not only affect the response factor of the lamp towards certain VOCs, but it will also affect a variety of parameters such as high and low alarms, short-term long exposure limits, or STEL, and the time-weighted average, TWA, for this specific type of VOC. As you can see here, in the gas table for isobutylene, the high and low alarms have been set to 100 and 50 ppm respectively, whereas for a VOC such as isobutanol, where short-term exposure limits and time-weighted averages are more important, these are listed in the gas table instead. To change the reference VOC gas on the device, use the up and down soft keys until you navigate to the calibration gas icon. Once you have the calibration gas icon, press the A soft key to enter the menu. From here, you can either select from a list of saved favorites or all reference VOC gases listed. Press Enter to confirm your option. Next, scroll through the alphabet until you reach your desired VOC gas. Once the letter shown matches the first letter of your reference VOC gas, hit Enter to confirm. From here, use the up and down arrow soft keys to navigate through to find your desired reference VOC. The response factor for each VOC will be listed here. Once you have selected your desired VOC, simply hit the Enter soft key to confirm. A tick will appear on the right side of the screen, and the VOC will be listed here. Please note that the Ion Science Tiger XT does not speciate between VOCs. It calibrates it to a known reference factor for this specific VOC. Thank you for watching our how-to video on the Ion Science Tiger XT. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local AirMet office on 1-800-000-744.